వాడేమన్నా చెప్పు నేను మీ ఏ కంపెనీ దగ్గర పనిచేస్తున్నా మీరే చేసింది అంటే
Oh, I'm not visible. Oh, I starting off the vlog from nowhere and you can't see me at all. Wait, we should get a light first. I don't know able to hear or not. We just had something and now we are doing Faltu Giri. Okay, not some I mean गाड़ी का लाइट आ रहा है ब्रो उसकी वजह से थोड़ा दिख रहा है. ये लोग सारी पागलपंती कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे बैठ पागलपंती करते हैं. What's up my gang? Say it, what's up my gang? This is Akash doing unwanted things as usual. That is Sandhya Ji.
I don't have anything to do. Kallu potta mande pelle.
Now they both are bashing her with the stones. Hi, she's gonna get hurt. No, what is this behavior? What is this behavior, Akash? Huh? What is this behavior?
It's called enjoyment.
The enjoyment of what? See this all unwanted things. It's not visible that much. Say something.
Say what?
It is.
Hi guys, welcome back.
This is the what is that? Permanent, guest of this channel. No, it's not visible at all. No light, guys. In this road, no light proper.
We have proper light, but
something is visible that you watch. That's enough. So we went to eat. Okay, that was out of nowhere. We decided and we went up. I didn't take video of that because I was not thinking to make a vlog. But then now that we have decided to randomly fucking go somewhere that I don't know, that they know who was coming in the bag and all. So they are taking us to some different area only. That is not our area. Like next to our area, okay? So we're going there. And I'm yapping like always. What else to say, man? You say something.
And we are disturbing. Meanwhile,
Meet this beautiful lady. She's like always. Oh, यहाँ पे एक light अच्छा है. She's always in her phone. See again. Let me show you the view. It's so beautiful. Okay. So what is the time? This is click focus. 10:31 is the time, guys. That's the time we are going out. Can you imagine? इतने बजे मैं सो जाती हूँ. नहीं झूठ बोल रही हूँ. मतलब घर में रहती हूँ. She is playing that song. When does it start playing the lyrics?
go there, show that.
What is that to show? This is some kachra place.
It's not Katra place.
What is that?
Soon it will become good.
Some construction. Now it will come on. It's not playing well now. Full music. Some prank. This guy is like always on prank. Miss that thing. What's up, my gang? Bhumika Di. Hi. This is Bhumika Di, the sweetest one in our gang. Rest she went to somewhere. All these things they do. चोरी करके लेके जा रहे हैं ये लोग. ये thief number 1, thief number 2, thief number 3. She is sitting there.
Blogger is 4.
No, I am not stealing all those things. You know.
When we steal, she'll sit behind us and she'll travel. So she is the one who is
Bro, she
leading us.
bent.
Let she go. She'll come back here.
It's not even visible. That far she went. That's the dot thing is her. When she realized, no, that's it. So we all are, this is our jugaad for lighting, guys. This is our jugaad for lighting. Literally, in the nowhere of the road, there's a road. Yeah, nowhere of the road, we're sitting on this ULO. Show the ULO. There's a ULO. Yeah, this is the ULOs and all. Literally standing here, sitting here. And she went. You want to say something?
Yeah,
Put on your
they're finding there. and
She's finding.
she's finding in
Hey, phone panna phone edukada.
Do some dance and or something. Give content, guys. Dance, but do something. At least do something. They are not doing anything.
Hey, what
You do something. Go.
What is it? Vastundi.
Now she is coming.
she is the entertainer.
This is the content.
What is that?
What is this?
Sunflower customization.
Put it on her when she comes. Oh, this thing. This was some flower, guys. Now she's coming back. Okay, there she's coming. Those legs are her.
Vagade.
नहीं, कितना बात करना है आपको? वहीं चले गए, आपको पता नहीं चला? इधर आओ, पास आओ. आपका आवाज नहीं आएगा, पास आओ.
Content.
What content?
Fake content.
ओए संध्या दी, किधर गए थे? अभी now she will run. She's like so much busy talking. Okay, so finally the thing is happening. They're going in up, and there's Bhumika Di. She doesn't want to come up because I don't know why. Maybe she is scared or something. Basically pranking Sandhya Di again, part 2. This is Vishal waiting here with me. We actually know it. We walk here, don't ask shit what they do, okay?
Yeah.
We just simply follow what they do, to be very honest.
Yeah, no,
And see, so once they said we'll go up by here.
Again they're coming back.
And now they're going somewhere. And now this guy will come again and say walk. It's 11 o'clock, man. Enjoy the time. That's actually true. Would definitely do anything. Not anything, I mean, if I'm having fun, I'll do it. Vlogging, night vlogging.
She'll make some big level videos.
Yeah, good
Wait and
quality.
watch it.
Exactly, good quality content.
We'll get some good entertaining videos. Till that hold up, she'll do her best.
Yeah, well, such a supporting person you are. And here, this his anime t-shirt, I mean sweatshirt. Oh, sorry, hoodie. She's again out of the gang. You're just, from that time, you're just listening to music.
Hey!
Akash went off. What's up, my gang? Welcome to This is how nightlife look, guys, in Bangalore. We're enjoying the Bangalore life, nightlife. How do you feel about the nightlife of Bangkok?
For me,
Yeah.
I never experienced it yet.
What is this you're having now?
Now I'm because again we have to go back. If we enjoy it till morning, like 6 o'clock, then I can give you a full review about the nightlife of Bangalore.
Akash helping someone. Now where is she again?
அது பாரு அது கண்டு அது
Again she went. Every time we make vlogs, she's just literally running away. Anyways, we'll say, you know that song? What's up, my gang? What's up, my gang? Welcome to Hood. After that, I don't know what to sing. I mean, I don't know after, like, the lyrics after that thing. Is it in my reel? Is just full that? What's up, my gang? Oh, guys, literally, मेरा pop out हो गया इनके. I recorded the whole damn shit, and then ये I mean button I पता नहीं क्या touch नहीं हुआ कि क्या नहीं, and then later on I got to know कि मेरा storage full हो गया है. Wow. So we are saying the damn shit again. So I was saying कि मेरा feed is like full of, you know, that what's up my gang, welcome to hood, and the other one is that what is that, sambar idli, sambar idli,
Chutney.
dosa, chutney, that all those things are there. Now it's finally recording, that's the best thing. But we are not visible. We are like merged with the background, is that thing.
Yeah, we can't do, guys. Please.
All you got,
Hold
all
on.
they're gonna see is like this black shadows of us. Whenever I vlog, no Vishal is there with me. Rest of the people, like half of the people will come that back. It's not visible.
They entertain themselves.
They entertain themselves only. And then there is one this Atma that she keeps on, you know, just walking by herself.
She keeps on talking to her.
Here is where the light is coming later.
Where?
Oh, they're literally very far. They're walking really slow. Let me do the back camera and show you. See lighting of the... Wow! This is what I enjoy, guys. I love my fucking life. I mean, the night life. This is what gives me the life. See the damn view. She came भूतनी. इधर आओ, वहाँ पे नहीं दिख रही है. मैं इसका जुगाड़, गाड़ियों का जुगाड़ ले. देखो क्या लाइटिंग है. एक गाड़ी पास होगा ना, then मुंह पे लाइट पड़ेगा, guys. That's how you do it. Big brains. She's here. Earlier everyone used to, you know, throw stuff here. Now that's that. Literally the whole thing. People just need a place to throw, guys. So this is where they throw.
This is our India.
And it's not like we don't throw here. Actually, we also throw here. But the next morning they just clean it up every time. But yeah, we shouldn't be throwing that. But it's literally their fucking problem. They never send the garbage vehicle. They never send on time. It's like once in a week. Yeah, no, it's like literally once in a week. Week.